For this one, we have la granja, the farm. So a couple of animals. So first one we have on top is el gallo. El gallo. El gallo is the rooster. El gallo. Next one is la gallina. La gallina is a hen. Next one is el huevo. El huevo. El huevo is egg. On top we have el cerdo. El cerdo is a pig. Next one we have la cabra. La cabra is a goat. Next one, la oveja. La oveja is sheep. Next one, el conejo. El conejo is rabbit. El pato. El pato, duck. El ganso. El ganso, goose. El caballo. El caballo is horse. So we have gallo, rooster, gallina, hen, huevo, egg, cerdo, pig, cabra, goat, oveja, sheep, conejo, rabbit, pato, duck, ganso, goose, caballo is horse.